Ready to see some of the coolest three-wheeled vehicles ever created? From futuristic designs to wild machines that completely rethink the way we drive, these incredible rides are guaranteed to blow your mind. Whether you're into speed, innovation, or just jaw-dropping engineering, there's something here you won't want to miss. All the vehicles featured are linked in the description below. Two wheels are for beginners. Three wheels are for people who've thought it through. This bold, muscular three-wheeler gives you the thrill of an open-road motorcycle with the stability of two front wheels and a full vehicle stability system keeping you planted. A powerful 1,330 cubic centimeter three-cylinder engine moves you with authority, while the relaxed seating position means you actually enjoy the miles instead of just surviving them. A 10.25-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay keeps you connected, cruise control keeps you effortless, and a reverse function means parking is never a headache. Storage, LED lighting, and digital theft protection come built right in. Not quite a car, not quite a motorcycle, entirely its own thing. This open-air three-wheeler puts you low to the ground, side by side with a passenger, with 180 horsepower pulling you forward and the wind hitting you from every direction. A 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivers serious torque, while traction control, anti-lock brakes, and hill hold keep you confident on any road. You choose how you drive, a classic 5-speed manual or an intuitive automatic. Rockford Fosgate speakers and accent lighting mean you show up sounding and looking the part. Anti-theft protection and a security key fob give you peace of mind when you park. Some roads weren't made for rushing, they were made for savoring. This full-dresser trike is built for riders who want to go far and arrive fresh. A 114 cubic inch V-twin engine pumps out 120 foot-pounds of torque, so hauling a passenger and a full load of gear never slows you down. And with 6.8 cubic feet of locking, weatherproof storage, you can genuinely pack for days. Four 25-watt speakers with Bluetooth keep the soundtrack going, while the 6.5-inch touchscreen handles navigation and controls without the fuss. Electric reverse makes parking effortless, even on a hill. Smart safety tech monitors, traction, and braking through corners so you stay smooth without thinking about it. Your car bakes in the sun so you don't have to. But what if it didn't have to either? This electric car umbrella deploys automatically in just 8 seconds with a remote control that works from up to 30 meters away. It opens straight from its own storage box, so there's no wrestling with a car cover or figuring out where to stash it. At nearly 4 meters wide, it covers any car model completely. The built-in 5,000 mAh battery lasts up to 2 months on a single charge. In direct summer sun, it keeps your car's interior between 30 to 40 degrees Celsius instead of the brutal 80 degrees Celsius it would otherwise reach, meaning no more scorching seats or a steering wheel you can't touch. Waterproof Oxford cloth and fiberglass rods handle wind and rain too. Your car has a face. Time to give it a personality. These flexible LED panels stick right onto your windshield and transform the front of your car into something that stops people mid-scroll. Choose from built-in devil eyes, animated patterns, scrolling text, or upload your own custom design straight from your phone through the app. A 96 by 20 pixel resolution means every pattern displays sharp and clear. Control both panels at once with the remote, or fine-tune everything through the app and save your favorite looks to the remote buttons for quick access. Installation takes minutes. The adhesive sticks firmly to any smooth surface and peels off clean without leaving a mark. Waterproof and powered by any USB source, including your car charger. Getting in and out of a car shouldn't be a struggle. This fully powered swivel seat is custom fit for the GMC Yukon XL and makes every entry and exit safe, smooth, and independent. It rotates and slides completely out of the vehicle, so transferring from a wheelchair requires no awkward twisting or straining. The ergonomic padded seat keeps things comfortable, while built-in footrests give you a stable, secure footing every step of the way. A simple 4-button hand remote puts full control at your fingertips, and smartphone compatibility lets you operate it through an app too. A door interlock function means the seat only moves when it's safe to do so. Installs without any modifications to your vehicle, and a manual battery backup keeps everything working even during a power outage. Every entrance deserves a little drama. These wireless LED door sill lights project your custom name, logo, or text onto the ground every time you open your car door. They sense the door opening automatically and fade off when it closes. No wiring, no switches, nothing to figure out. A magnetic mount means installation takes seconds and works on virtually any car without touching a single wire or leaving any damage. 7 colors and 12 lighting effects let you dial in exactly the look you want, from a clean, steady glow to a dynamic color-chasing display. The rechargeable battery lasts 1 to 2 months per charge. Scratch-resistant acrylic panels keep everything looking sharp for the long run. Your garage has 4 walls, but your car deserves 1 more layer. This inflatable bubble capsule wraps your vehicle in its own private microclimate, keeping dust, scratches, rodents, and accidental knocks completely at bay. But the real trick is the airflow. A quiet fan continuously circulates filtered air around your car, preventing condensation, the hidden culprit behind rust, watermarks, and paint damage in storage. It replaces the air inside at least 5 times per hour, so moisture never gets a chance to settle. No metal frame ever touches your paintwork, and rust-proof nylon zippers won't scratch a thing. Clear PVC panels mean your car stays on display even while fully protected. It sets up fast, packs down compact, and works equally well as a permanent garage solution or a portable shelter you can take anywhere. They've been building 3-wheelers since 1909. This one proves they haven't lost the plot. The Super 3 is raw, open, and unlike anything else on the road. A cockpit-style 3-wheeler that puts you directly in contact with every corner, every gust of wind, and every rev. A 1.5-liter 3-cylinder engine delivers 118 brake horsepower straight to the single rear wheel, pushing this 635-kilogram machine from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 7 seconds, and all the way to 130 miles per hour. Every surface does double duty. The side blades manage airflow and double as luggage mounts. Every component is intentional. This is not a car with a wheel removed. It's a purpose-built driving experience that happens to have 3 wheels. If you've ever wanted motoring to feel like an adventure again, this is where you start. $194 horsepower, 3 wheels, 0 roof. You do the math. This is a turbocharged open-air rocket that somehow also comes with heated seats and a premium audio system. Because why choose between thrilling and comfortable? A 1.5-liter turbo 4-cylinder punches out 203 foot-pounds of torque, and a 6-speed automatic with adaptive shift controls means all that power goes exactly where you want it, exactly when you want it. The sport-tuned exhaust makes sure everyone nearby knows it too. Retro styling and a push-button ignition give it a cockpit feel that's pure theater every time you climb in. At under 1,500 pounds, it's light enough to feel nimble, but substantial enough to feel planted. Shoes that move on their own? Yes, really. These self-balancing electric skates strap right onto your feet and turn walking into a smooth glide. Built-in motors keep you steady, so you lean forward to go and back to slow down. LED lights add a cool look while helping you stay visible. They're portable, rechargeable, and easy to carry when you're done riding. It's a fun, futuristic way for you to cruise without a full board or scooter. Get ready to spin, slide, and drift like never before. This electric tricycle lets you zip around with a push-button throttle, reaching speeds up to 9 miles per hour for almost an hour of non-stop fun. Dual rear caster wheels make 360-degree spins and slides effortless, turning every ride into a stunt show. A hand-operated front brake keeps you safe, while the sturdy front wheel and rechargeable battery handle the adventure. Compact, thrilling, and easy to ride. Fun comes standard. Because your car's start button deserves better than boring. This metal joystick cover snaps right over your existing push start button. No wiring, no drilling, just peel and stick installation in seconds. It's solid zinc alloy from top to bottom, so it feels as premium as it looks. Available in a range of colors to match your interior vibe: red, pink, silver, and more. One tiny upgrade that makes you smile every single time you start your car. Fighter pilots have heads-up displays. Now your car does too. This device projects your speed, engine temperature, RPM, and over 20 other live readings directly onto your windshield, so your eyes never have to leave the road. Plug it into your car's diagnostic port for full engine data, or switch to GPS mode if you'd rather just track speed and direction. It auto-adjusts brightness from day to night, so the display is always easy to read. Setup takes 5 minutes with zero tools. Just place, plug in, and drive smarter. Driving feels a lot nicer when the air is fresh and comfortable. This compact humidifier adds just the right amount of moisture, helping with dry eyes, scratchy throats, and even static. It runs quietly, so it won't distract you on the road. The rhinestone design gives your car a little sparkle and style, making it both functional and fun. Stability meets everyday freedom. This 3-wheel electric scooter gives you a confident ride that feels steady and easy from the moment you hop on. You can fold it down quickly, making it simple to store at home or slide into your car. A built-in reverse function helps you back out of tight spots without stress. The electric motor delivers smooth power, while the battery lets you handle errands or short trips without worry. Small bike, big attitude. This electric mini bike delivers smooth, quiet acceleration that makes every ride feel effortless. You get multiple riding modes, so you can cruise calmly or switch it up when you want more excitement. The digital display keeps you informed, showing speed, range, and ride status at a glance. Dual suspension and strong disc brakes help you stay comfortable and in control. With built-in battery storage, you're always ready to keep the ride going. Your car just got smarter and more organized. This armrest box doubles as extra storage and a wireless charger, so your phone powers up while staying tucked away. Coins, cards, keys, and other small items all have a neat spot instead of sliding into the gaps. Made from durable, easy-to-clean materials, it also adds a touch of style to your interior. Perfect for long drives, it gives your arm a comfortable place to rest too. Say hello to a lightweight ride that fits right in your backpack. This electric skateboard is compact and easy to carry, making it perfect for teens, commuters, or anyone needing a quick portable solution. Glide smoothly at up to 14 miles per hour with shock-absorbing wheels that handle bumps and cracks effortlessly. The beginner-friendly remote shows speed, battery, and modes, so you're always in control. Quick charging and low-to-the-ground stability make every ride safe, smooth, and fun. road trips just got way more organized. This clever backseat organizer gives you 2 cup holders, a tissue box slot, and handy hooks for bags, snacks, or umbrellas. No more clutter rolling around the floor. You've got a spot for everything. The smooth leather finish wipes clean in seconds and stays durable over time. Easy to install on most headrests, it keeps your car neat and passengers happy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.